Hi everyone, it's Kezia over here from Kezia's Corner and welcome to my channel. My name is Kezia and this is a space where I share all my love for makeup, lifestyle and well-being. Today's video is going to be all about Nomad Cosmetics new cruise collection. I have the collection over here which was kindly sent to me by Nomad Cosmetics, and I'm going to just dip into it for the very first time and share with you my thoughts on the collection and also what you'd find in the collection and how the collection also tests out. Very excited. It looks very summery, it looks very colourful, so we're going to add a little bit of colour, especially since the weather outside looks very dull and grey. If you want to purchase anything from Nomad Cosmetics, I have a 10% discount code. Simply enter Kezia's Corner and you'll get 10% off your makeup order. Basically, I'm very excited to film this video, so let's just jump right into it. So we have our usual postcard over here. So we have the new Nomad Cruise Collection. Destination is our cruise collection invites you into a dream of sun-kissed freedom where the breeze is warm, water endless, and time drifts by softly. Sailing between busy ports and quiet coves, life on board unfolds in slow mornings, sun-drenched afternoons, and sparkling evenings. This is a voyage through color, shimmer, and unforgettable memories. Drifting, never lost. Collection with magnetic palettes to mix and match. We have the Aurora Cruise Shimmer Palette, which offers 15 radiant shimmers and duochromes inspired by glittering coastlines, shifting seas, and dancing lights of the horizon. It's pretty cool because Malta is like an island. Also Cruise Matte Palette, which includes 15 luxurious and velvety mattes inspired by nautical tones, natural hues, and coastal colors. And basically we have the Sunrise and Sunset Cruise Gradient Highlighters, which are 2 gradient duochrome highlighters featuring rosy hues of the sunrise and the golden bronzes of the sunset. Because we are proud to support Ocean Conservancy and their work to keep our oceans healthy and thriving. Thanks for sailing with us, Felicia and Auntie, Nomad Cosmetics founders. Ooh, I am very excited to start, obviously, by showing you the cruise collection. So let's go with the shimmer palette first. They're so amazing. The colors. This is the Aurora Cruise, and basically Nomad Cosmetics ships worldwide, and they also are cruelty-free. And look at the shimmers that we have, guys. Oh my goodness. But wait, we also have the matte palette as well, so let's show you the matte palette too. Now I'll swatch them for you as well, not a problem. And are you ready to see the inside of it? Okay, there we go. So I need to look at these palettes together next to each other. And also we have the Nomad Cosmetics. This is the Nomad Radiant Golden Glow highlight in Sunset Cruise. So this is the Sunset Cruise highlight, and this is the inside of it. So this is the sunset one. Over here we have the sunrise one. I love the packaging. This is the inside. So as you can see, we have like one which is a bit more pinkish, which is the sunrise, and then one which is a little bit more goldeny. So we're gonna start by obviously swatching. This is the Aurora Cruise, and I'm going to start by swatching each row. So we'll start like this and then follow our way through. Oh my goodness. We have shimmering pearl, whoa, dancing sunlight, we have morning mist, we have prism tide, the next batch. Okay, harbor lights, mermaid's tail, golden hour, sea glass. So we have ocean's crown, aurora gleam, summer spritz, and sparkling sunset. Tidal reflections, emerald jewel, and celestial glint. Okay, so these are all the shades of the Aurora Cruise palette, and oh my goodness, what shade am I going to use? We have the Coastal Cruise palette, and again I will do it row by row. First light, this is Sand Prince and Crystal Fog and Cool Current, like very pastel-y light shades. Dusk Veil, so Harbor Rose, Cruise Deck, Driftwood, Quiet Wave, Twilight Time, Evening Horizon, Hidden Treasure. So we have quite a multitude of different shades. Ocean Depths, Open Water, and Silent Abyss. So these are the matte shades. And then these are the shimmer shades. I'm going to just put them together. And these are the shades that we have. I have a feeling I'm going to do a blue look. But I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm going to just basically take these swatches off and I'll be right back. I think I will do a blue look today because with the other palette, Paris La Bohème, I did a green look, a pink look, so I don't want to do the same. So I think I will do a blue look today. We're going to start with obviously a matte shade. I'm going to take this brush. This is simply a blending brush. I got this from eBay a long time ago. And we're going to use Cool Current, which is that one right there. It's very blue and light, but you'd be impressed with Nomad Cosmetics. So as you can see, look how pigmented the shade is, even though you would think that maybe it's like a lighter blue, but you would be surprised with Nomad Cosmetics. With one dip of the brush, that's how much product I got, and that is enough. More that we have Carnival right now, and I would imagine that these palettes, especially the shimmer one, would have come in handy for someone, possibly, who loves wearing costumes and then loves applying makeup as well. And I suppose with this shade, you can just take your time with blending it and kind of, that's what I'm doing. I don't want to build it up for now because I think I'm quite happy with it. Plus, I'm also going to be introducing another shade. So let's see how this works though. I'm going to introduce Quiet Wave. And I'm going to use this brush. This is the AOA Studio, the E141 brush, and it just comes like that. I'm going to take the shade called Quiet Wave, which is that one right there. I'm basically just going to use all the blues. I'm going to basically apply this at the outer corner, but then also in my crease. And basically I'm emphasizing the crease with a little bit more blue and also in the outer corner as well. And to be fair, what I'm going to do is I want to drag this shade a little bit more to my inner corner, not obviously all the way, but I think over there I would be happy with it because now, well, to be fair, what we can do is I can use a darker shade as like an eyeliner. I think that's what I will do. I like that transition. I think I really like that. And I'm just going to take the blue shade that we used first, and basically I'm going to just blend it with the shade that we just applied. Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. We're obviously going to take Open Water, which is that one right there. This is the On Fleek brush from Beauty Bay, which looks like that. So basically going to take Open Water, which is that shade right there. Let's start by applying this in the outer part. And I'm going as tight as I can to my upper lash line. Okay, I like that. But I think I'm gonna drag it a little bit more. Like that quite a lot actually. Now I'm very excited to try out the shimmer, but okay, let me do this on the other eye. I have to obviously do the same thing now on the other eye. Oh dear goodness. We're gonna do the shimmer one, so I'm really excited and nervous as well. Okay, so we're gonna take, I said we're gonna take Ocean's Crown. And to be honest, that's the one I want. So let's see. We'll see. I'm gonna take it on my finger. Oh my goodness, this shade looks amazing. I will go over the eyeliner after. That's what I can do. So pretty, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this on a brush, to be honest, and I'm gonna use the Multitasking Master from Beauty Bay, and that's the shade that we're using basically. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to dampen the brush because I think it might help. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to just take, no, where was it? I have to open the other palette, not this palette. And I'm just going to use a little bit of Quiet Wave. Yes, and what I'm gonna do is let's just try and just blend it with the matte shade so that it doesn't have such a harsh line. I think I'm quite happy with that. I have this look on both eyes. Now, the last thing that I want to do is I'm going to add a little bit of an inner corner highlight. And I'm going to, I think I'm going to add this one because I think it's cooling my name, but I don't know. Yes, this one. So this is Morning Mist. So that's the one I'm going to be using actually for my inner corner. And I love using this. It was, again, from eBay probably. Love that. So that is the finished look. And I'm very impressed. Again, I always love their mattes and I love their shimmers too. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch for you the Sunrise Cruise highlight. So this is the Sunrise Cruise highlight. The Sunrise Cruise highlight, which looks like this. And this one is the Sunset Cruise. So this is a little bit more gold than and this is the Sunset Cruise. They look gorgeous. I'm going to just finish up using the complexion products and I'm going to share them with you as well. So for bronzer, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, the new one, which we love. Mascara. Oh my god. For mascara, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Sculpt Mascara. What I would recommend, guys, is that you would actually first apply to your eyeshadow before doing your face makeup with these eyeshadows. That's what I would say. For blush, I think I'm going to use this one as well from Physicians Formula. It's the Vintage Rouge shade. And for the highlight, the one I'm going to be using actually is this one. It's the Sunrise Cruise because this is what intrigues me. And I'm going to actually just focus my highlight on just these two. Ooh, pretty. I like that a lot, very much. Okay, and then for lipstick, I'm just gonna be using Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. And finally, I'm going to just set everything with my Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray from Charlotte Tilbury. And this is the finished look. I am impressed, guys. I really like the eyeshadow. It is a blue look we went for today. It's very mermaidy. Like if you had to ask me, it's like very mermaidy. And I like the glow that we have as well of the highlight. Very subtle, not too much, but very, very pretty. I really love the Cruise collection. It's very different from what I've seen Nomad Cosmetics do, I am not hating this at all. So these are what you can find in the Cruise Collection. It'll be available from the 21st of February. And again, if you want, you can get a 10% off when using my discount code, which is Kezzy's Corner. So I'm very happy with this look. And I really like that eyeliner that we created as well. Very happy. So I wish to say a big thank you to Nomad Cosmetics before I finish this video. Thank you so much for sending me these products and that I have the opportunity to share them with all of you guys as well. So thank you so much, Nomad, Felicia and Auntie. That was today's video. Obviously, this is all as well thanks to you guys as well. So thank you so much for all the love and support that you have shown throughout the years and that you keep showing even through your comments. I truly, truly appreciate them. I'm going to go now because it's Sunday and I'm going to just continue relaxing. And I hope you all have a lovely rest of the day. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and see you guys soon. Ciao!